Good evening, everybody. Greg, the bee guy here from Angry Bees Farms and Apiaries, and I have a very special announcement to make in this video that has been in the works for a while now. And it just kind of came around and all the parts came together, all the moving parts came together, so I would love to announce it tonight. As many of you guys know, I am a 10-year veteran of the United States Marine Corps, 3531s. If you're out there, represent, guys, you know what I'm saying. Being that as it is, every chance I get and our family gets up here at Angry Bees Apiaries to support our veterans, we love to go all in with it. So in partnership with the Veterans Leadership Program of Southwestern Pennsylvania and Bonnie Hall, who is the local Region 4 bee inspector for the Department of Agriculture in the state of Pennsylvania, we are going to host the first, I guess you could say the first annual or the first ever Bees Helping Veterans program here at our apiary. So on June 27th at 10 o'clock in the morning, we are going to have a veterans only beekeeping seminar up here that is going to be open to all active duty or veterans or disabled veterans, because our apiary is very easily accessible. So if you're a disabled veteran, do not let that stop you from coming up and partaking in this program. Bonnie's going to come up and she's going to do a full hive inspection. She's going to show us queens. She's going to show us brood. She's going to show us some of the things that we look for in a hive, some diseases that might be present, hopefully not, but some problems that she might see with the hives and some good things that she might see with the hive. So it's going to be a great day. Starting at 10 o'clock, we're going to go as long as either the weather holds out, and this is going to be weather permitting, guys, so we might have to change some things just in case. So, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. So it's going to start at 10 a.m. We will provide refreshments, so there'll be sodas up here. Vets, sorry, but no beers. There's going to be sodas, and we're going to have hot dogs and hamburgers for you guys, and there will also be facilities on site, so just in case anybody has to use the facilities. I know we're out here on a farm in Rostraver, but facilities will be on site for anybody that needs to use facilities. So again, 10 o'clock until probably around 1 or 2 o'clock, and again, she will be here to answer all the questions that you have. All the personal protective equipment will be supplied by us. So we have suits, we have veils, we have gloves, we have anything that you might need. Some of you guys might be comfortable enough to not suit up or whatever, and that's going to be up to you. But we do have all the personal protective equipment so you don't have to worry about any of that. Just bring yourself here on June 27th at 10 o'clock for the seminar. Now, we're going to start this a little bit small, so I do apologize in advance, but for the first one, we're going to be taking 4 veterans. And then as this goes along, we're going to add to it. But for the first one, we really wanted to make sure that we did a good program and we got some things in place and all the logistics were good. You know how us military guys are with logistics. So we want to make sure that it's going to go off without a hitch. So 4 veterans will be available for that first one. It's going to be first come, first serve, guys. So if you're interested, don't hesitate. Get your name out there now. And if we have a ton of responses come in, I'm just going to basically put everybody's name in a hat, and I'm going to pull out 4 names, and I will contact you guys and let you guys know all the specific details once we have that ready to go and we have the 4 guys picked out. And then if there's a huge response, I've already been in contact with Randy at the Veterans Leadership Program of Southwestern Pennsylvania and Bonnie that we can definitely do this again. So if you don't get in on the first one, don't fear. If you really want to do this, we will set something up for you guys and we'll get you guys out here to the apiary. So I'm going to put this out on social media. And again, the first 4 guys that contact me, if there's more than that, we'll take it one step at a time. But again, don't hesitate. Get your name out there quick. Contact me via social media, and we will get you guys registered for that. The classes are free. Bring yourself out here. We'll have lunch, we'll have drinks, and we'll have Bonnie give us a great program that day. Again, weather permitting, and if it happens to look like it's going to be bad that day, we'll change some things up. But weather permitting, it's going to be great to see you guys out here. So guys, Greg the Bee Guy is signing off. veterans, if you're out there, reach out to me, and you know that I have you at heart. So have a great night, guys, and I will talk to you soon. If I get any more details or I have to update this, I will update everything as it goes. So anyway, have a great night, guys. Great talking to you. Like and subscribe, share this video, and if you know a veteran, get him on the list. Have a good night.